Hi, welcome back to Mommy Jen's Kitchen. Christmas is coming, and I know some of us want some cute and easy appetizer on our table. Here's one idea that you can include on your Christmas table. It's a snowman boiled egg. Here's what we need. We need some boiled eggs. To make a one snowman, you need 2 boiled eggs. So it depends on you how many boiled eggs do you want, but everybody knows how to prepare the boiled egg, but make sure you boil that approximately like 15 to 20 minutes. Then when it's done, we need to transfer it in the bowl of the ice water and let it sit there for 15 minutes. This makes the eggs easier to peel. And one more tip. If you're planning to make a hard-boiled egg, make sure you buy it in advance, a week in advance, because the older the eggs will get, it is easier to peel the eggshells. Everybody have their own way how to remove the eggshells from the hard-boiled eggs, but this is how I usually do it. I just tap a little bit on my counter, and then I crack and then roll the eggs on my counter. In this way, there's like a little fractures that are starting over the shells, and then it's easier for me to peel off the eggshells by doing this. Done. Here's the result of my hard-boiled egg. Looks perfect. Okay, then let's go to the other ingredients that we need. We also need a black peppercorn, or in Tagalog it's paminta, and also a carrot and a toothpick. Okay, it's time for us to make the snowman. So we just need to slice off a small section from the bottom and also from the top of the egg. So these 2 eggs, we're gonna put this together. Okay, then the carrots, we need to cut the bottom part of the carrots. This will serve as the hat of the snowman. So as you can see, I cut a slice the bottom part and then also the tip of the carrots. And yeah, I forgot to show you, I do have 1 leaf of cilantro in here, the strand of cilantro. You can use cilantro, you can use parsley, you can use a green onion for the scarf of the snowman. So I'll show you how we're gonna do this. And we need more slices of carrots for the snowman hands and also for the nose. These 2 slices of carrots will serve as the hands of the snowman. Okay, then the peppercorn, we're gonna use that for the eyes. And then we also need to make a tiny slice of the carrots for the nose. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Let's get our toothpick and let's make the hat of the snowman first. So we'll get the small piece of the carrots that I cut it, and then the larger size, but you put the small piece bottom and the larger on the top. Then put the toothpick in there. So now we have a hat in here. So you put the other eggs on the top of the other egg, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this hat with the toothpick that I made, And then you're gonna put that straight down inside of the 2 eggs so they are attached to each other. Okay, then let's get the cilantro and make the snowman scarf. I want to make this easier because if you're gonna do first the eyes, the nose, and then when you do the cilantro, the last part, it will be harder because once you're trying to knot the cilantro, you're gonna hit the arms, you're gonna hit the nose, the eyes will fall off, you're gonna hit that too. So you have to do the hardest part first before the easiest. So all you have to do is just knot together the cilantro. You're gonna use the leaves, the softer one. So the softer part is where the leaf at. So you're gonna use that to knot each other. Okay, now we have that. We got the scarf and then just got the excess cilantro. Alright. Yay. Now let's make some nose. You just need to cut it like a triangle shape, a tiny triangle shape for the nose of the snowman. And then you need to get the toothpick and then cut the small piece of the toothpick, insert it on the tip of that carrot, then place it on the egg as for the nose of the snowman. Okay, next is we're gonna make that eyes. So we need another toothpick to drill the holes in each piece of the eyes. Okay, so we can now insert the black peppercorn. And then make another hole for the other eyes. I decided to put more of the peppercorn from the chest of the snowman going down, so it adds a little bit more of decoration. There you go. And then for the hands, the 2 hands of the snowman, you don't need the stick or you don't need the toothpick with that. You just need to just insert it. There you go, we got one down of the snowman. We got more to go. So hope you enjoy this video and make sure you make one this coming Christmas. It's fun. Your kids were gonna love it doing it, and it's so cute on the table. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell also. God bless, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year!